baby after feeding. I will demonstrate the two ways of birthing, the over the shoulder and on the lap. In over the shoulder, you would sitting or standing, wherever it works for you and your baby. Start. Hold the baby up on your chest so the baby is facing toward you with your arm locked. Under the baby's button for support, you want to put a birthing cloth over your shoulder in case of the baby spit up. Use our dominant hand to gently but firmly pat our baby back. Between the shoulders working, you weigh up and down. You can also rub the baby's back after several pats. Placing a burp cloth on your leg position like this. You can use either leg with the baby facing either way. Notice that one open hand and it's holding the baby jaw. The forefingers and the thumb are used as a sort of wedge with the palm supporting the chest. Using firm but gently pressure or tilt and support the baby's head up a little. And rub the back of the baby. And wait until the baby is birthing.